Hi LifeCircles family, it's your dietitian Elle here from Holland. With Easter just around the corner, I thought I would share a fun, healthy treat. I call it a copycat Reese's egg. We all know those really delicious Reese's peanut butter cups that are in the egg shape for Easter. I thought I would share with you a healthy twist on that with a few different fun ingredients for you to try that you might already have at home, or you can give a try for the first time. So I'll just share them with you and then we'll get right into making them. So first ingredient we're going to use is peanut butter. Obviously super accessible. You could use almond butter, there's even cashew butter, but peanut butter is my personal go-to and it's very affordable, a good source of healthy fat and protein. Next up is coconut oil. If you don't already have this around your home, just for, sometimes it's good for our skin health, but you can use it in lots of recipes and it's a good healthy fat source. So we're gonna use this today. Next up is almond flour. This is something new I've been incorporating into more things recently. It's definitely more on the pricey end, but I will say I get this at Aldi and it's $6 for the bag. I believe it's $6 and I keep it for a while, so it does last me a long time. I like it because it's a good source of healthy fat and fiber. And then last of our basic ingredients for this recipe is just any protein powder that you like. This is my go-to. I like the taste of it. That's pretty big for me, but you could use whatever you prefer. I know Aldi has a large tub that's about $10, so that's a pretty good deal. This is about $20 at Meijer. I like this one just because it's lower in sugar and definitely has a lot of protein, and that's the point of a protein powder. So all fun ingredients to try and help us get a healthy treat for Easter that is not only blood sugar friendly, but it actually does taste good and it's fun to put together with either on your own or with friends and family. So let's get to making it. All right, I hope you guys give this recipe out a try at home, share with your friends and family, and let me know how it goes. Remember, you can enjoy the original Reese's peanut butter cup if you prefer that, and there's nothing wrong with that. This is just a fun spin to try some new ingredients, and if you have specific health goals, these can be really helpful. See you next time.